It's just the wave.
What up, world? It's your boy Jeff, aka Cool Boy Jeff, right here. It's the only place you can find a wave. It's the Wave 804. I got this guy right here, you know what I'm saying? He's about to bless this interview because his nickname is Sneeze.
Yo.
You know what I'm saying? Shout out to my man Sneeze, you know what I'm saying? 16-year-old dude lives out here in the 804, you know what I'm saying? He can freestyle his ass off.
Got songs too. Sneeze music on YouTube.
And then that too. He got all of it, but I ain't gonna say no more. I'm gonna let you introduce yourself. Go ahead, Big Sneeze, dog.
I'm Sneeze. 16. I just really like to rap.
Okay.
I feel like that's pretty good.
Nah.
Not too corny.
Nah.
Just enough.
Nah,
Just
that's
enough.
cool. I mean,
It's
it's nothing but a little bit nothing like, you know what I'm saying, you can sneeze, you know what I'm saying. I'm gonna hand you some tissue so you can get yourself together. Nah, but for real, big dog, I really do. I dig the videos. First of all, I want to say shout out to my man Antonio. You know what I'm saying? Absolute
Photograph.
Yes, sir.
Hop
Photographs.
Shot Photography. For
Shout
the
out
pictures
to
on
all them
Sneeze
boys,
blesses
man.
you on Instagram.
Yes, sir. Definitely. Well, shit, he trying to get his shout outs early. But definitely shout out to those guys. You know what I'm saying? My man Antonio told me about you. You know what I'm saying? About how good you are. You're a very animated, cool guy, chill. But seeing you now, you're different from who you are when you rap and spit a freestyle. How are you able to have a balance between the two?
I never really thought of it that way.
No.
I mean, I'm me. I don't really put too much thought into it. I just do what I do. I convey my feelings through my music. It's a vehicle of expression for me.
Mm.
You know what I'm saying? Like I don't ever go out of my way to be a certain type of way.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm saying? Like I try to keep everything very authentic.
Mm-hmm.
So there is no real balance. It's just me.
Okay. So how do you stay disciplined so you can stay being you?
Cause wouldn't it really be terrible if I was white? Wouldn't it be horrible if I was up here getting an interview from you and I was trash?
Oh no, I would make sure I had to look at your
That'd be
videos
terrible.
first.
That'd be a shame.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's an influence.
The only reason why I asked that because I've never seen nobody who's 16 years old has a mathematical flow, however I look at it. And then at the same time, get to meet this guy, and he's just so chill and relaxed. It's just a difference between seeing the two. So that's why I was saying how are you able to remain to have balance between the two? And I feel like that's very dope. And then at your age 16, you don't see nothing like that. You know what I'm saying? And for one of my other questions that I feel like is unique too, what or who brought you to music, and how did it influence you throughout your life growing up?
I mean, ever since I can remember, as I said before earlier, but music has always been around me. Like, I can't imagine a time when I wasn't listening to music. Like, I can't go to school without headphones. I wake up in the morning, I put music on when I'm in the shower. Like, music is everything.
Everything.
I feel like, I guess my mom put me on the music just because I was with her in my earliest days, but I've always been very much so attracted to music.
Mm-hmm.
Now it's kind of like my thing, so to speak.
Mm-hmm.
It's pretty dope, but yeah.
Man, you too relaxed, man. Definitely. But is there have you ever spit like freestyles and stuff in school and people just go crazy over it?
I had some like high school musical moments in the cafeteria. Everybody claps and stuff.
Okay.
Shuts up for a second while I do my thing. It's pretty cool.
Okay. And I know girls be going crazy over you too, huh? No, not for real. I guess even once you get out there more,
I
they'll
got
start
my
to.
girls, alright.
Ooh. Let me find out. You macking at the age of 16.
I wouldn't say I'm macking.
Ooh.
Just a
Okay.
guy, you know.
Nah, I don't. I don't. But no, seriously, man. So now that you can rap, you can freestyle, tell me about being in your studio. You know what I'm saying? How was that putting your mathematical rhymes together and putting it on paper? You know what I'm saying?
Well, I don't have my own studio,
Mhm.
so shouts out to PGB, shouts out to Renegade, all of that.
Yeah, shout out my man Raul.
Oh, for sure.
Yes, sir.
All the same guy. We made it sound like it was multiple.
Yeah,
people.
I mean,
It's alright though.
Yeah.
Shouts out to him.
Yes,
I
sir.
use his studio. He lets me go in there.
Mhm.
And as far as everything that I write down, that happens away from the studio.
Mhm.
It's a very isolated experience. It's hard to explain a little bit, but
Mhm.
I'll try to articulate it. I've never really been able to say, okay, I'm gonna sit down right now and I'm gonna write these raps.
Mhm.
I have like separated bursts of I have to write these raps right now. There's nothing else I can do. And I might be there for 45 minutes, I might be there for like 4 hours, you know.
Mhm.
It all depends. It's a very compulsive thing.
Mhm.
Music is everything.
It is.
I say that a lot.
So, what are some things that you challenge yourself to do better when you trying to orchestrate a song?
First and foremost, the bars.
Okay.
They need to be impeccable, better every time. If they're not, I'm slacking. And then when I look at my old notebooks, I really get to witness the growth.
Mhm.
And after that, I'd probably say just the general flow of it, because that really contributes to the vibe. I want everybody to feel like I have a song that's for them.
Mhm.
I don't necessarily want to go out of my way to make music for everybody, but I hope that over time, as my catalog continues to grow, people will find that they like at least one Sneeze song.
Mhm. And I see like the true talent, and I can say, looking at you and just again watching your videos, it was something that you was born with. So, and you talked earlier, and you were saying that you're just trying to get yourself out there. What outlets have you had so far, other than this, that you have used to put yourself out there so people can know who you are?
Definitely a lot of social media.
Mm-hmm.
Word to mouth a lot, just locally. Open mics, stuff like that. Honestly, I'm a pest on social media. I just spam everybody constantly. If I ever see somebody rap and I walk up, I'm like, all right, so it's my turn. Essentially, okay. I'm like, all right, let's see if I can get a verse in, gain some fans. If I meet new people, I ask them, if they like music and they want to hear some new music. I'm very, very close to being obnoxious with it, but not quite. You know what I mean? Like,
okay.
I really want to show everyone everything that I'm capable of.
And what do you think, like, they're missing that you're trying to show them? I know they can see that you can rap. I know they can see that you can, you're very animated, and they can see how the way that you just go so crazy when you spit. Is there something that you feel like they are missing, even though that you're trying to show them?
Well, it's just going to take time. To be honest, like, I know that the production quality could be a lot better if I had access to a more, high-grade studio. I still think it sounds dope as it is, to be honest. But for real, at the end of the day, it's got to do with time. I can't rush anything. Eventually everybody's gonna have heard at least one thing, That's the hope. That's the plan.
Well, I feel like when the last time I did the interview for Raul, what I'm saying, he was just telling me how, he have a whole bunch of people over there, they have a good time, it's very relaxed.
No, yeah, it's super dope.
Super dope. You know what I'm saying? Then once again, shout out to Raul again, because for him to
he
do that.
recently upgraded his stuff too. It's
And
super dope.
And he put so much work into his
Yeah.
craft, man. He does a
Absolutely.
lot, and then to have you,
He just put out a new mixtape, I think. Today.
yeah,
Shouts out Raul.
Yeah, I think he got a
Instagram.
video that he already dropped already too. I think he
I
got a
haven't
video
seen it
coming.
yet.
Yeah, cause I've been checking for that too. Cause I'm
For sure.
definitely watching. Cause man, I just like the whole aura.
Definitely a lot of positive energy.
Right. And then I
Chilling,
see how the
making
way y'all
music.
working, and then for him, man, for him to go to work and come right back, and then to do what he love, and I
Yeah.
also think he's really
A lot of
focused
commitment.
about a whole lot of commitment.
Absolutely.
So when you're around these guys and around him, period, what things do you take from them that makes you feel empowered? Like, yeah, like if they can do it, I can do it too.
Well, the biggest thing for me is I'm younger than them and I'm right there with them.
Mm-hmm.
So the plan is to be their age doing a lot more.
Mm-hmm. And you just take so much, and you just like soak it up like a sponge.
Yeah, I try to glean the maximum amount of information possible.
Mm-hmm.
I don't really,
Nah, I feel you.
I don't ever want to be the guy who's just there.
Yeah, I feel you.
You know what I'm saying?
At least you want to be doing something while you're there.
Absolutely.
You know what I'm saying? Even if it's somebody who wasn't doing anything, was there, they'll feel like they're a part of something. You know what I'm saying? And speaking on it, you do have a few videos by Antonio, right?
Yeah.
Did for you?
I have one of them.
Oh, yeah, one
Another
of
one's
them?
coming out very soon. It's for the Non Sequitur song dropping tomorrow morning.
Okay, cool. And what could they find that at?
They can find that on Sneeze Music, on YouTube. The song Non Sequitur is going to be on there as well as my SoundCloud, Sneeze Music.
Okay. So the first video, what was that about?
First video, Sputnik, that was just kind of my burst onto a new level. I
Mhm.
feel like, that's the dopest video I've ever had. You know what I mean? Like,
Yeah.
shouts out to Antonio for sure. And the song Sputnik itself was just kind of like, hey, guess what? I can rap.
Yeah.
It was a lyrical showcase. I had a little bit of a break in the middle. That if you can vibe with it, that's cool.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, it was just bars.
Okay. And you just giving out bars like it's a jail cell, huh? Nah, that was my corny moment. So now you got videos. Now you having music, and you're only 16 years old. What else do you feel like that
I
you're
mean,
trying?
other people are 16 doing more, so
Yeah,
I
but
don't
still,
want to relish in the moment too much.
Nah, I mean, of course, but just think about it that you're doing something at your age. You know what I'm saying? I understand at the age of 16 that you're starting to experience certain things of what well, no, I ain't gonna say a preteen. You're a pre-adult, so you starting to really see things, and you really starting to interact with older things, what older people would do. What is your next thing on your list that you're trying to accomplish?
Regarding like short term or long term?
Both.
Short term, so as of this week, I just want to continue to progress on my music.
Mm-hmm.
Waiting on a phone call. Hope I really get that phone call. Can't say too much about that.
Okay.
And I just want to continue to excel as a person. That's that goes for long term as well. Long term, by the end of this year, I want to have my first project out.
Mm-hmm.
I've been really fickle about that, though, to be honest. I guess I never feel like it's the right time. Like, I feel like I need more music out, and I feel like people want it before I can get it all together for a full project, and then if I were to wait that long, by that time I've lost, their attention for that moment.
Mm-hmm.
Then I don't know. I mean, I was doing the freestyles on Instagram for a long time, and then I stopped for a couple months. Then I came back and did one. People seemed extra excited.
Mm-hmm.
then I put music out. I don't know. Maybe it would be the same with the mixtape. Who knows?
I feel like that it shouldn't just be you because you are your own artist. You know what I'm saying? You make your music when you feel like you need to make music. If people really bang with you like they say they do or what they comment up on your videos and pictures, they will never go nowhere. Because at the end of the day, you're human too. So you got to start to take the time and develop your craft because you want to be better and better and better.
Absolutely.
There's no way that you can always limit yourself because of what you can do or what you're trying to do for the people, but you still need the time to get yourself together. There's new things that you're going to be introduced to, you want to speak about. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to keep saying this,
Absolutely.
you know, you don't want to keep saying the same things about what happened when you were 16 because at the end of the day, you're going to get older and you're going to be introduced to a lot of stuff. So I feel like you go, like, where you're going, I don't know where you're headed, just keep going, man. You know what I'm saying? Believe and trust in your process because even like with me, it gets really hard because, you know, I do interviews. But at the same token, it's people who support me. Well, I can tell who do and who doesn't. It's people who tell me all the time, I'm going to hook you up with this and that person. But I don't see it.
A lot of people just like to talk.
A lot of people love to talk, but at the end of the day, I keep believing in myself because I got myself
You
here.
gotta do that.
And that means I can get myself further. So when you keep doing you, you're going to be straight.
Absolutely.
And this is like coming from I don't know if you consider me as an old head. You know what I'm saying?
I wouldn't say you're an old head yet, yo.
Nah.
An older perspective.
Yeah, but at the same time too, it's more of like I've been there, done that. You know what I'm saying? You can't please everybody. People is gonna be there to either build or destroy with you. A lot of times to destroy, but at the end of the day, even when they're trying to destroy you, it's building in you because you already know what you're looking
You
forward
got that
to.
experience, yeah.
Yes, sir, and keep doing that. But definitely, man, let everybody know where they can find you at so they can follow you on social media and stuff like that.
Sneeze Blesses You on Instagram. Sneeze Music on YouTube. Sneeze Music as well on SoundCloud. Sneeze Blesses You with the letter U on Snap. Not a lot. Not a whole lot goes down on Snap. I just it's like pictures of my dog and stuff. You know? So I'm corny. Why not?
You are so.
My niece.
You're terrible.
My niece is born. Shouts out my niece. Shouts out my brother as well. Yeah, my niece Carter Marie Bailey. CMB Cash Money, baby. That's what my brother said.
Yeah.
It's corny. It's terrible.
Hey,
It's
yo.
so bad. But it's really bad. But I love my niece though. She's so little, bro. She's big.
You're terrible.
Alright, anyway,
You're
yeah.
terrible.
Sneeze Music on YouTube. Sneeze Blesses You on Instagram. That's the full spelling of that all together, exactly how it sounds. And then on Snapchat, Sneeze Blesses You with the letter U.
Hmm.
And then Sneeze Music as well on YouTube. I mean, SoundCloud.
Okay.
There you go, double reminder, I guess.
Already. And he just blessed this interview. Oh my God, you crazy. Anyways, shout out to my boy Sneeze. I'll call him Sneezo, but he don't want me to say that on
I
camera.
don't know, it could be Sneeze.
Okay.
Sneezo!
Yeah, you
Sounds
know.
like something you'd yell at me. You know? Like something from a long distance, like, Sneezo!
I don't know if you're being funny or you're just saying that because you know I would actually say something like
Would
that
you?
from far.
I would do it, probably.
Nah, I would do it.
Nah,
I'll
yeah,
tell you. I
Sneeze.
said Sneezo right here.
Yeah, Sneezo.
Oh my God. Anyways, this is another dope interview with my man Sneeze, you know what I'm saying? Definitely check him out, man. He's a good dude. He got a lot of good things coming up. And shout out to Raul, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to my boy Antonio.
Yeah,
You know what I'm saying? Absolute Photography, Hop Shot Photography too.
Yeah, for
You know
sure.
what I'm saying?
for
Shout
sure.
out
We
to
can't
all
forget
the
about
guys.
Hop, man.
Nah, man, you cannot
terrible.
forget about those guys, man. Those
Came
guys
through
are
with
good
the
dudes.
pictures.
Yes, sir. Come in real good handy too. Those are real humble dudes, man.
Real nice guys, man.
Yes, sir, bro. And you keep doing
Look out.
you keep doing your thing, bro. And don't let nobody tell you what you can't do, because you're doing a lot of things that a lot of people at the age of 16 wouldn't do. You know what I'm saying? It takes a lot of heart and a lot of confidence to do what you're doing,
Mhm.
man. So stay on it.
Music is all I've got, I feel like. So why not push it to the limit?
Hey, I hear you, man.
Break it eventually.
Already. That's another dope interview with my man Sneezo, man. It's the Wave at the 4. We out.